Yo, what's up, guys? How you guys doing? I would like to thank you guys for tuning in to Only the Realist. I hope that you guys have all had a wonderful day out there, and be mindful that this reading will not resonate with every single one of you. There are millions of energies on planet Earth, and without further ado, we're going to jump right in. And your first energies out here are going to be... Alright, we have the King of Pentacles. Alright, with the Eight of Cups, walking away from people, places, things that no longer serve you. It's time to get down to responsibilities. Alright, it's like you're building, you're creating something here. Alright, and first of all, this is definitely very internal for you, right? The strength or courage or the ability, right, or the capabilities to take on responsibilities, to, you know, gradually or slowly or with dedication or how do you say that word? Determination, to, you know, have this this type of understanding within self. Okay, we have the Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, because there was here with the Seven of Pentacles, this is, you know, analyzing everything that you have. You may have felt a sense of lack when it comes to the things that you are accomplishing, things that you are slowly trying to obtain, okay? But I'm getting the sense here that there needs to be this change of excitement towards what you are doing, right? And this is where this responsibility comes in, right? It's like when when you're prioritizing something, you know that you have to get it done. You know that you have to make sure that it's, you know, on the roll, right? And then we have the Ten of Cups, okay? Health and prosperity. All right. Yeah, but then we also have the Three of Swords here. All right, so recently there was something that affected you, you know, emotionally, okay? And so this is where you're getting back up and you are challenging yourself to, you know, create this new health and prosperity for your new self, okay? So that's why you are feeling as if your worth has been, you know, attacked, right? You are creating responsibility and, you know, progress, right? This is the moment where we are getting out of where we were, right? But everything's gonna be okay here with the Nine of Pentacles, and we also have the Three of Swords here again at the bottom of the deck. Okay. Yeah. You are focused, right? You were feeling left out in the cold, okay? This is from some person in your life that left you feeling this way, right? Which is how you were able to climb up and challenge yourself. Okay, we have the Three of Pentacles, yeah, with the High Priestess, and that challenge has definitely begun. Okay, here in your you know, your energy of presence, right? I call it your God energy, right? Which is where you receive downloads and things that represent a message for you to have a better understanding. All right, we have the Empress. It's good right there. Have some abundance coming towards you, but allow this energetic side of you to be exposed, which is what you're moving up towards right now, coming into your responsibilities, right? Yeah, commitment here. Okay. 10 of Wands. It's been heavy on you. There's something that you learned through the heaviness. Okay? Something you learned through the heaviness of it all. Alright? And this is where you are able to receive now. Okay? Giving back, right? 7 of Cups. That is how you're being given back, right? Options, people, places, or things that you can find as an opportunity to open the door of. Okay, we have the Queen of Cups, and you have a positive mindset, right? Your heart is open, right? It's due to this healing, right? And as human, right, we need to deep dive into our emotions to find this part of us, right? To help us gather strength to have the ability to challenge ourselves to continue doing the things that we like to do, right? But I think this affected you in a way, right? We have the Wheel of Fortune. There's a new cycle for you, right? And like I've been telling you, get out of this energy. Defenses, right? We need to take our defenses down, right? Because we are open with receiving, right? We are open with receiving. Yes, and that truth or communication that you've been, wondering about here with the Ace of Swords, the ultimate fulfillment of communication, this is your doorway to that communication. Not everything communicated is verbal, right? When we are receiving communication from God, universe, whatever you believe in, which shapes how things go in life for each individual. It's there, okay? We have the King of Cups, all right? Not only do we have responsibility of challenge and creativeness and stability, right? We also have the responsibility of emotion. So this is really good for you here, because this shows that there was an imbalance with your emotions, and that you are slowly connecting with that again, and that's helping you get into this health, this new health that you have for yourself, right? It can feel like you are being rewired, and you're being like recharged with a battery or something, right? Anyways, guys, that's all that I have for you guys. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. I would really like to hear what you guys have to say. And if you guys have been with the gang, I love you guys so much. Monistique, and I'll catch you guys next time.